अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाउ आर यू माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। आज हम ऐसे कर रहे हैं रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु ताला अलैहि वसल्लम पर। हज़रत मोहम्मद खातम النبیین सल्लल्लाहु ताला अलैहि वसल्लम is the last Rasulullah of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the last holy book Quran also revealed to him. Hazrat Muhammad Khatam النبیین sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam lived his life according to the Holy Quran. He sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam did practically what Allah Almighty subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Holy Quran so that all mankind can follow and take guidance from him. His character was respected by all. We have so many examples of his kindness. People throughout Medina, including Jews, gave him the title of the trustworthy. Hazrat Muhammad Khatam النبیین sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam is the finest example of a perfect man in all aspects of life for everyone. He Khatam النبیین sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam is the man of exceptional qualities such as modesty, truthfulness, kindness, patience, loyalty, honesty, courage, bravery, generosity, wisdom, and the like. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most glorious, directs upon us to take the Rasul Khatam النبیین sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam behavior as an example because he sallallahu alaihi wasallam guides us to virtue and righteousness, and we should follow his sunnah Khatam النبیین sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam to lead a peaceful and successful life.